Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Okay. So, okay. So today we are going to start with our algebraic identities. Last day, did we start algebraic identities in your class? Did I start?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Okay. We are going to start algebraic identities. It is not a new chapter. It is a portion of our algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression. Um, algebraic expression. I think we have already studied, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Multiplication studied. Okay. Now we are moving to the next part of algebraic expression. It is algebraic identities. Very, very important topic. And for your next years also, it's very, wherever you are studying maths, this identity is very applicable and very useful for solving many situations. Okay. So shall we start?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Write heading algebraic identities. Algebraic identities.
Ma'am, that is the definition.
Wait. 1 second. I will show you. It has gone up. Algebraic identities. I will explain first, then you write. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Algebraic identities. Algebraic identity means we have already studied many algebraic expression like x plus y plus 2 and x minus 2y plus y square. Many algebraic expressions you have studied. And
Yes.
here algebraic identities also some of algebraic expressions. They are algebraic expression. Along with they are equations also. Algebraic identities are equations which contain some variables and constants or coefficients, variables and constant like 2, 3 constants and variables like x, y, p, q. Okay. So algebraic identities are equations which contains variables and constant, and for whatever values we are given to these variables, whatever value we can give these variables, that equation will remains the same. equation satisfies Equation satisfies when we give any value for the variables. Such equations are known as identities. See here, the definition says what? An identity. Algebraic identity is an equality. It is an equation that holds for any values of its variable. For any values of its variable, algebraic identity holds, or it satisfies for any value of its variables. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the definition. We will explain what is it. An algebraic identity is an equality that holds for any values of its variable.
Ma'am, should we write this?
Yes, right. Vinya, read. What is an algebraic identity? Read.
An algebraic identity is an equality that holds for any values of its variable.
Michelle, read.
An algebraic identity is an equality that holds for any values of its variable.
Jeevan, read.
An algebraic identity is an equality that holds for any value of its variable.
Any values of its variables. Okay. And we have some standard identities. We have some standard identities. In that, first one is
Can you show the last slide?
one second. The first one is a plus b the whole square, and it is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b the whole square. All of you write this first. Write this identity. Heading.
Ma'am, we should give the topic standard identity.
Heading standard identity. Standard identity. White it is. Standard identity. Then write a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. First standard identity is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b the whole square. That way you have to read a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Ma'am, can you show the previous slide?
I will show. First you write this. Did you all write this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That. Okay, Alina, read a plus b the whole square.
A plus b the whole square. A
Is equal to
is equal to a raised to 2
no
plus
a square
a square plus 2ab plus b square.
b square. Okay, Tia, read. Tia. Read. No, not this. You read I have shown because somebody wants this page. You read the identity. First identity.
A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Okay, yes. Adnan, read. Adnan.
A plus b the whole raised to 2
Whole square. A plus
whole
b
square.
the whole square.
whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Alan, read. Alan.
Ma'am, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Alna Jensen. Alna.
A plus b the whole raised to
A plus b the whole square, not a whole raised to the whole
a plus
square.
b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Mithun. Read.
And a plus b the whole raised to square is equal to a square plus
b the
2ab.
whole square. A plus b the whole square. Read in that way.
A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus.
And Leah. And
A
Leah.
plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Dion.
A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Evelyn.
A
A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square.
Gobi.
A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square.
Abhinav. Read.
A plus C all raised to square
Mm. Mm.
is equal to A square plus AB plus B square.
A plus square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Next, I'm going to explain you how geometrically we can prove this. Geometrical interpretation of a plus b whole square. This you no need to write. You just listen to my class. Okay. Just understand how it can be proved geometrically. How can we prove a plus b the whole square? Because I told you, a plus b whole square is universal law. Wherever you go or whatever value we can give for variable, it holds. So we can geometrically prove this is correct. Okay. So listen, all of you, listen to the board. Here we have a square, and that square is divided into 4 parts. One is a pink one, violet, blue, and yellow. In that, this pink one is a square, another square. And what is the shape of the violet one? Shape of the violet
Rectangle.
rectangle. And blue one,
Rectangle.
and fourth yellow.
Square.
Yellow is a square. And what is the side of the pink square? Length of
A.
A. And what is length of this violet rectangle?
B.
Length
Ma'am,
A.
A.
Breadth B.
B.
And for this blue rectangle, length
A.
breadth
B.
and for this yellow square, sides are
B.
B. Okay. So the total is another square. The total figure is another square. And what is the length of side of that total figure? Total figure has a length. What is the length of that total figure? It is a square. What is the length of its side?
Ma'am, A plus B.
A plus B, because this total here up to here it is A. This is B. So total is A plus B. Total is A plus B. So this total figure is a square with the side A plus B. A plus B. Here also A plus B. Here also
A plus
A
B.
plus B. Okay. Now see, consider this pink one. First figure. Since it is a square with the side A, what is its area? Area of the first figure is
Side into side.
side into side. Here, what is the side?
A.
A. So A
into
into
A.
A
A
square.
square.
A square. What about area of this violet one? It is?
A into B.
It is a rectangle. L into B. So what is it here?
A into B.
A into B. A B. It is A into B. A B. What about this blue? Area is equal to
AB.
AB. That also AB. Length into breadth. AB. Here
B
it
square.
is B square. Yes, it is B square. So first figure, area A square, and for the second and third, area is AB, and for the fourth one, area is
B
B
square.
square. My videos off. Okay. Fourth one, area is B square. Okay. Now, what will be the area of the whole figure? Whose length is? Yes, it is A plus
A square plus
A
B
square plus
raised to 4.
2AB plus
AB.
square.
Sorry.
B
yes,
square.
it is A plus B into A plus B. Because one side is A plus B. So since it is a square, it is A plus B into A plus B, or we can write it is A plus B the whole square. Area. Area is A plus B the whole square, isn't it? So for getting the total area, we can add area of first one, area of the second one plus area of the third one plus area of fourth one. See, area of the first one is A square. Area of the second is AB. Area of the third is AB. Area of the fourth is B square. And area of the total figure. Area of the square with the side a plus b is equal to a plus b into a plus b, which we can
A
write
plus B
a
the
plus
A plus
b
B
the
the
whole
whole
square.
square.
So a plus b the whole square will be equal to area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3 plus area 4. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But area 1 is a square. Area 2 is ab.
AB.
Area 3 is ab.
AB.
Area 4 also b
B
square.
square.
So these two we can add like terms ab plus ab, 2ab. But what is the left side? Left side is a plus b into a plus b. The total area, it is a plus b the whole square. So a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab
2AB
plus
plus B
b
square.
square. So geometrically we can prove a plus b whole square is a plus b. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Also we can write, one second, and change the color. Okay. A plus b the whole square, we can write a plus b into a plus b. A plus b into a plus b. Multiplication of two algebraic terms we have already studied. So how can we do this? A into A. A into A is A square. A into B.
AB.
AB plus B into A.
BA.
A plus B into B.
B square.
B square. So this is equal to a square plus AB plus BA. We can write AB because
AB.
multiplication is commutative. So this is equal to a square
Square
plus
2AB
2AB
plus B
plus
square.
B square. This way also we can prove a plus B whole square is as a plus B the whole square
Should
is
we write this?
right. This you write a square plus 2ab plus b square. This you can write. The other figure and all you can do as activity that I will tell you later. So a plus b whole square equal to, write this.
Ma'am, only one standard identity is there.
No, 4 are there.
Okay.
Over?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Uh,
ma'am, that 4 identities we have to prove it.
no. Just by heart, only that. Proving we are not studying this year. Okay.
Okay.
You should just by heart. Like a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. That way you have to by heart it. And application level questions are there. We will apply this identity for solving or simplifying some algebraic expressions. Okay.
Like
Okay,
that,
ma'am.
exponents and powers.
Okay. Yes. Almost. Okay. Now you write.
Ma'am, can we write the answers also?
Yes. Answers. Write the answers. Should be thorough. Very important topic. Write all the answers. Devika, what is the first answer? Shasa, did you complete the first one?
Ma'am, finish.
Right. First one.
I'm finished.
I'm finished.
Okay. First one's answer.
2 should
Ma'am,
tell
x square plus
Ah.
2xy plus x square
X square plus
plus 2xy plus
2xy plus y square.
Adnan,
Y square.
second one. Adnan, second one.
Yes, ma'am. P square plus 2pq plus q square.
Safa, third one. Thomas Chaco, third one. Rolger, third one. Evelyn, third one. Allah.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
L square
Hmm.
plus 2lm plus m square.
Who says this? Who says this one?
Alna.
Okay, Allah. Allah. Okay. Devika, fourth one over.
Ma'am,
Read.
p square
Hmm.
plus 2px plus x square.
Krishnaveni, next.
Ma'am, u square plus
Hmm.
2uv plus
Hmm.
v square.
Correct. Now next one is x plus 1 the whole square. In the place of a, it is x, and in the place of b, it is 1. X plus 1 the whole square. And y plus 2 the whole square.
And ninth one.
Hmm?
Ninth
Ninth one. Okay.
Ma'am, can you say sixth one? Can you give an example?
Yes, I will. Sixth one, x square plus 2ab. Second term is 2ab term. So 2 into a is x here. b is 1 plus 1 square. So it is x square plus 2x plus 1. 2 into x into 1, it is 2x plus 1. So x square plus 2x plus 1.
Ma'am, I wrote like this 2 into 1x. 2 into 1x.
Then also it is 2x now.
Okay.
Correct?
Ma'am, seventh one then.
Seventh one, here in the place of a y, place of b it is 2.
2.
So y square plus 2ab means
Plus
2 into
2.
y into
5.
2 plus 2 square.
4y.
So it is
4y.
y square
Y
plus
square
Ma'am, so
4y plus 4.
4. Y square plus 4y plus 4. Similarly, you can do the other question. X plus 3. Gopi Krishna, 8th answer.
Ma'am, x square plus 6x plus 9.
Yes, 6x plus 9.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Ma'am, ninth
scheme.
I will show x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square. No.
Okay, ma'am.
So 2 into 3, 6. 3
6.
square is 9.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, ninth one can.
Ninth one, first term is 2y. So it is
2y square.
2y the square plus 2ab means 2 into
Ma'am,
2y into 1.
ma'am, in that it's written 3 square
Eh?
6. 6x plus 6, no, not 9.
3 square is what?
9.
Mithun, 3 square
3
is
square is 9.
3 into 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
4y.
multiply 3
No
into 2.
problem. Always you are making this mistake.
Ma'am, 4y plus 1.
1. 4y plus 1.
Ma'am, 4y square means. Ma'am,
Next. 4y square
ma'am,
plus
4y
2
square.
plus
1.
2ab. 2 into 2y into 1. So 4y 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Shasa, where you are
Okay,
looking?
ma'am.
Shasa, where you are looking? Looking
And
outside.
what is the answer of the 7th?
Okay, you are sitting at home. Listen to the
And
class.
7th answer.
7th answer, y square plus 2 into a, in the place of 8 is y. So 2 into y into 2. 2ab. A is y here. B is 2. 2ab. So 2y into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4y plus 2 square is 4. Now, 10th question. 2x the square plus 2 into 2x into 2 plus 2 square. So 4x
And
square
4x.
plus 8x,
4x square plus 8x plus 4.
8x plus 4. Next is 2y plus 5. 2y.
Ma'am, sir.
8th answer, x square plus 2 into x into 3 plus 3 square. So 2 into 3, 6. 3 square is 9. Same way, same pattern of questions. Only the first identity we are using. 2y plus 5 the whole square. And
Ma'am, 4y square plus.
1 second. X by 2 plus 3y by 4 the whole square. Then
Ma'am, can you explain 12th one?
12th. 11th answer. Shivanya, what was the 11th
Ma'am,
answer?
4y.
Ma'am, I'm doing.
Okay.
Can
4y
I
square.
say?
Okay, wait. Let others
Ma'am,
also.
4y square.
Ah,
4y.
Plus 10.
Can I say?
not a 10.
100.
Ma'am, 20y.
Ah,
20.
who said 100?
Ma'am,
How Gopi Krishna
said.
100?
Ma'am, by
20y plus
Ma'am,
hmm,
ma'am,
Plus
plus 10,
25.
20 came 2 into 5,
Ma'am,
10. Ma'am,
2y
plus
plus
25.
square plus
25.
2 into
Ma'am, plus
2y
25.
into 5 now. Plus 5 square. So 4y
Okay, ma'am.
square plus
20y
20y
plus 25. 25.
Okay.
The 12th one can explain.
This is x by 2. First term is x by 2 the whole square plus 2 into x by 2 into 3y by 4. 2ab term. 2 into x by 2 into 3y by 4 and 3y by 4 the whole square. Now simplification. X by 2 square is x square
Ma'am,
by 4.
2x.
2 get cancelled. These 2 get cancelled. Remaining
Ma'am,
3
it is 2x into x by 2. No?
2x into x by 2. How?
No, ma'am,
2
question.
into no x by 2 plus 3y by 4. So 2ab term means 2 into a is x by 2, b is 3y by
By
4
9y.
plus
Ma'am, 9y.
9y square by
Square.
16.
Now can you show 6th one answer?
Sixth one.
Yes.
Why?
Ma'am, 16.
I didn't write the
Ma'am,
answer.
no, 12th one, 16. 9y square by 16.
16.
Ma'am.
9y square by 16.
16. How it can
4 square. 4 square. A by b the whole square is a square by b square. Exponential law. Michelle, did you write the 6th one?
No, ma'am, 1 minute. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now 13th one. 13th one is 3 by
Ma'am,
2
3 by 2 m
the whole square plus 2
plus 2 into 3 by 2 m
2m into
into
2 by
2 by
3n plus 2 by 3n the whole square. Okay. So this is 9 by 4 m square plus 2
cancel.
3
3m.
also we can cancel. Remain 2mn only.
2m. Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, plus 4 by 9 and n.
9.
Nine,
n
n
square, n square.
N
9 n square because n also there. So I think our time is up, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So I will send some homework questions of the same type you have to do. Next
Ma'am,
class,
can you send this page?
how can I send this page? It is on the board, not my mobile. You ask somebody to send or you take a screenshot of this. So that
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
recorded class.
Let me take screenshot.
it is there on the recorded class also. If you want, you can take the screenshot so that you can write after the class, or otherwise check the recorded version. Okay, shall we wind up?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Next Friday, I think we have 2 periods together, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we will do other 3 identities also, but chapter we cannot finish. We have to do many questions of from this identities. Before that, let me take your attendance, please. 1 second. Adnan, Alan Joy,
Present, ma'am.
Allah Jinson,
Present, ma'am.
Allah Varghese,
Present, ma'am.
Allah John,
Present,
Anlia,
ma'am.
Anlia,
Present, ma'am.
Ashmit,
Present, ma'am.
Devika, Dion,
Present,
Abhinav,
ma'am.
Evelyn, Shasa, Gopi Krishna,
Present,
Jeevan,
ma'am.
Jeevan present, yes, Gino,
Yes, ma'am.
Naveni,
Yes.
Midun, Michelle,
Midun.
Abhishek present,
Yes,
Abhishek,
ma'am.
Yes,
Abhishek,
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
Prarthana,
Present, ma'am.
Rolgar, Safa, Sarhat present, no,
No.
Shankari
Ma'am,
present,
he was there in the beginning. Ma'am, he was there in the beginning.
who,
Sarhad.
Shankari is there,
No,
No.
ma'am.
Shivanya, Shivanand is there,
No.
No, ma'am.
No.
you, Thomas Chaco,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, Varda,
No,
Varda,
ma'am. No,
Varda is
ma'am.
there? No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, bye all of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am. Bye.